Hi everybody, it's Ashley. Welcome. It's Stacks in the City. If you haven't done so already, of course, please make sure that you rate, comment, subscribe. Let me know what's on your mind when it comes to personal finance, money, life, everything. Y'all, I love money. I do. It gives me the shivers. I probably shouldn't say it like that, but I like money and what it can do. It's an opportunity. It's a wealth building tool. A lot of you all have been talking to me. I've been getting a lot of comments from y'all about ways to start investing or ways to get really into the real estate market or delving here and there. But I want to discuss the pyramid that is abundance, that is financial abundance. You all, there's levels to this. And I really don't like when people say that. But it is a tier, and it's what step are you on in the journey? Wealth building is a lifelong journey. It is, especially if you're doing it the more traditional way, working a 9-to-5 or a full-time job and saving little by little. It is something that you're going to do for the rest of your life. And it's a good thing because you'll start seeing a lot of growth. It's like a lifestyle change. Eating healthy forever. Being more cognizant about your money forever. It's a good thing because you'll see the money grow. But a lot of us want investments in real estate, but we still owe thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars in debt. A lot of us want to be on that real estate mogul life, but we don't know how to budget. It doesn't make sense, y'all. That doesn't make sense. I like to think of it as a house. It really is a home. It's like building a house. You can't build a sexy home, a really beautiful home, if you don't have a solid foundation or if the hole isn't filled. It's just gonna look jank. It ain't cute. It's the same thing. So there's 3 levels to wealth building. 3 levels. The first level, the bottom level, which a lot of us are a part of, a lot of us are on, is the hole. You have to put dirt in the hole first. The hole is debt. How much debt do you have? You have to patch up the debt first. You have to take care of that. That is a fundamental part of it's a fundamental part of wealth building. You got to put the dirt in the hole. Pay off whoever you owe back so they ain't talking to you. They're not on your D no more. They're not getting any more of your hard-earned coins. Because the way it works, y'all, they're going to get their money. They're going to get theirs regardless of when you pay them back. You might as well pay them back so they ain't getting as much of theirs. You got time for that. So fill the hole. That's number 1. Pay back the debt. Fill the hole. That's not fun, y'all. And we don't lie. It ain't sexy. It's not cute. No one can see that. I know. It's annoying. But it is a very, 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 very important part of wealth building, which is paying back any debt. Number 2 is your foundation, just like a home. No one cares. There's the thing. When we're looking at houses, you look at properties, nobody wants to know, like, oh, is the foundation good? No one asks that question. You want to know what the kitchens and the bathrooms. But if your foundation is crappy, if your foundation ain't cute, if your foundation ain't sturdy, your house gonna crumble down. The stainless steel's gonna be gone. House no mo. So you have to make sure you have a strong foundation. Strong foundation to me is education, it's budgeting, understanding your needs versus your wants, being very cognizant about how you're spending your money, allocating your funds here and there, having fun. There's nothing wrong with that. That's a very important part of your life. It is financial wellness, financial being. Having a strong foundation is something that is essential when it comes to wealth building. Your foundation should change. You should always be working to prepare it and make it better over the years as your wealth building strategy continues. You're going to be back to reading and focusing and reallocating and rebudgeting because you're getting more money. You have to have a strong foundation. If your foundation ain't cute, then neither is your house. The third step is actually the actual wealth building. Y'all, this is my favorite part. This is the fun part. That is the investing. That is the real estating. That is the stock marketing. That is the business making. That is the stuff that we really love to talk about, the really fun nitty-gritty details when it comes to wealth building. So I highly recommend that you delve into that. A lot of us, when we're on our wealth building journeys, are so pressed to pay back the debt. And when we do that, we don't necessarily know the tools it takes to get to wealth building. But those are all essential parts. Wealth building is so, so, so important to becoming financially abundant. But you can't do that until you get the other 2 down pat. All right, y'all. So it is a pyramid. It's a 3-tiered pyramid. You want to make sure that your hole is filled. Pay back all the debt that you can. Then you want to make sure you have a really solid foundation, a beautiful, sexy, solid foundation of money, knowledge, well-being, budgeting, needs and wants. And third is that sexy house with the stainless steel appliances, the crown molding, the walk-in closet, the investing, the wealth building, the watch this money grow, the I ain't working for money, but I'm still making money status. That's where we're going to be at. That's what we're working toward. Okay, guys. As always, any questions, never hesitate to go down to the comments. Never hesitate to go down to the DMs. Never hesitate to let me know what's going on. You guys are truly phenomenal and fabulous, and I cannot wait to talk to y'all soon. Bye, y'all.